So we are here today at the headquarters of the European Commission to remind European political leaders that they are also responsible of the fires currently raging in the Amazon. We as Europeans are responsible because of our growing consumption of products like meat, dairy, soy for animal feed, palm oil, timber and many more, which are the driving force behind expanding industrial agriculture in the Amazon, but also in many other valuable ecosystems in the world. And we have no rules or regulations currently in place to put an end to our complicity in this destruction.